Ni itikadi. It's statement today, and then my colleagues will that the recent takeover of the government of Nairobi County through the purported transfer of functions by the national government is discriminatory and unacceptable within the architecture of the 2010 Constitution. That the city of Nairobi does not belong to the national government, but to the 4.397073 Kenyans who live, conduct business, and otherwise make a living in the city.
Sisi kama makundi ya kijamii ama National Society Congress tumesikitishwa sana na vile tunaona serikali kuu ilimefanya kunyakua serikali ya kaunti ya Nairobi. Sababu tunasema serikali za ugatuzi zilifanya kupiganiwa sana ndio wananchi wapate huduma kwa urahisi. Lakini tukiona tena mamlaka na rasilimali yanarudi kwa serikali kuu, tunaona wananchi hataweza kupata huduma kwa urahisi.
The way a captain of a football team is not the team is the way the governor is not the county government. According to the constitution, the county government is constituted of all the county assembly members, including the nominated ones, and the county executive committee, that is the waziris that we have in the county. Those together form the county government, not the governor. And it's because we elected those people. So for the president to purport to sign an agreement with Sonko, he is making a joke and a mockery of our constitution.